good afternoon. It is Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, 19th, Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025. Here in Maiwut, it started off as a shiny, bright day, and this is how it has become. This is the back alley here. One has to navigate this kind of terrain by foot, and this is the street. That's one of the restaurants. This is one of the restaurants. Yes, Adam, how are you? And the other one is one of the restaurants as well. These places are funny places, eh? These are really, really funny places, but one has to eat from here. Yes, you okay? Murphy full. Aye. Okay, so this is how most of them have not worked because it's been raining, and this is how it is in the market. This is normal to them. This what you see here, that is the main road over there. This what you see here is normal to most of the people here, but I'm really, really struggling. I'm struggling to understand how people can accept this kind of thing. Oh, I cannot, but I am here. I've got to make do. Yeah, this is how it is. So let's see, go for tea. Yeah, over there is the internet place, and the tea is over there. I don't know where to stop or to step. And yeah, this is how it is. Not easy. It's not easy at all. Yeah, shoes are becoming boats. Woo. Yeah, this is Maiwut, day number 18. Almost 20 days. Still waiting for parts and things. Yeah, follow the track, don't miss the train. This is Maiwut market. The market has turned to a swimming pool. Look at that. One needs a boat to cross here. It's a lake or some kind of... How can people survive here? So it's Maiwut town. Wow. You already work here? Oh dear. Yeah. People have to suffer through this water when it rains. Look at that. This is Maiwut Pagak Matiang Road. Yeah, today, Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025, at 4 o'clock in the evening. Along the track, London to Cape Town, through Sudan. This is a fish market. It's also underwater, and it's not nice. I don't know when the rain is going to stop, but yeah, here we are walking. I'm walking after the rain has stopped a little bit, still drizzling. And that's the road behind me going to Matiang, and this way, Pagak. Mal. Yeah. There you go. Have a good day. Good night. That is the stream. It's a river. Comes from the mountains, and it exists during summer. This is what they call summer, and in winter it dries up. Yeah. So it's full, it's up because it's been raining. And that's where it goes. That's behind the commissioner's yard and into the other side, creating a swamp down there. You're taking picture? Yeah, I'm a tourist. This is today, Tuesday, the 19th of August, after it has rained. This is where the Chief Trek automobile is positioned. Normally it's dry, but now, actually the water is going down. When I came in, it was up. I think it's flowing. Yeah, it's going. It's not that bad, because when I came in, I couldn't even step there. Wow. Okay. This is how we do it. Yeah, still in South Sudan. Yeah. Sweet. That's where the rain was from in the morning. It's so clear. This beach is done as justice. Got blessed by the rain here in Maiwut, South Sudan.